heart-warming fair caller. It is I, Princess Celestia, ruler of Equestria, and part-time holiday switchboard operator. The holidays are a magical time in Equestria, a time when ponies young and old exchange the best gifts they can find. To speak with a pony of your choosing, please select from the following options. If you'd like to hear from Princess Twilight Sparkle, press 1. For Rarity, press 2. For Applejack, press 3. For Fluttershy, press 4. For Rainbow Dash, press 5. And last but certainly not least, for Pinkie Pie, press 6. If you wish for... Hi, it's Pinkie Pie. Hello? What did you say? I can't hear you. I'm making a special holiday treat for my friends. I put 6 different candy bars into a blender. Now to add some caramel and strawberry. And this box of chocolate. Oh, and several containers of ice cream. Oh, and a cartload of candy cane. My friends are gonna love this. It's going to be the best gift ever! It's amazing all these ingredients can fit into this blender. I'm surprised it hasn't blown up. You know what this means. I get to throw a cleanup party. You're invited, of course. And I hope you have the funnest, bestest, most amazingest, wonderfulest, heartwarming ever. Bye.
Happy holidays.